What is an inverter compressor? An inverter compressor is a type of compressor used in air conditioning systems that can adjust its speed and output to meet the cooling or heating demand of a room or building. Traditional air conditioning compressors operate at a fixed speed and output, which means they turn on and off in response to the thermostat setting, resulting in temperature fluctuations and wasted energy. Inverter compressors, on the other hand, use a variable speed drive to adjust the compressor's output based on the cooling or heating load of the space, which allows for much more precise and efficient temperature control. The inverter compressor can adjust its speed from a minimum level to a maximum level, rather than simply turning on and off like a traditional compressor. By running the compressor at a lower speed, an inverter compressor can reduce energy consumption and increase the lifespan of an air conditioning system, while maintaining a consistent and comfortable temperature in the room. Inverter compressors are particularly effective in areas where the temperature and humidity fluctuate frequently, as they can respond quickly to these changes and maintain a stable environment. While inverter compressors are generally more expensive than traditional compressors, they can result in significant energy savings and may have a longer lifespan, making them a popular choice for energy-conscious consumers and businesses.